Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use template QR codes in VN. First, launch the VN Video Editor app on your mobile device. Once open, you can either begin a brand new project or choose an existing video you wish to enhance. Look for the template or sticker icon, usually found at the bottom or side of your editing screen. Tapping this icon will open a new menu with various creative options for your video. After opening the template menu, you'll see a wide array of categories. Scroll through these until you find sections related to QR codes or stickers that include QR designs. VN offers many different styles, from simple black and white to more colorful and animated options. Take your time to browse and pick a template that perfectly matches the overall look and feel of your video project. Once you've selected a template, simply tap it to place it onto your video's timeline. You can then easily customize its appearance. Use 2 fingers to pinch and zoom, adjusting the size to fit your frame perfectly. Drag it to any desired position on the screen and even rotate it slightly for a dynamic effect. Crucially, you'll need to edit the QR code's embedded information to direct viewers to your specific website or content. Before finalizing, play through your video to confirm the QR code is visible and scannable throughout its intended duration. You can easily trim or extend the QR code layer on the timeline to control exactly how long it appears. Once satisfied, proceed to export your video. Choose your desired resolution, such as 1080 pixels, and a smooth frame rate, like 30 frames per second, for a high-quality final product.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.